Good morning, second grade Title I friends and families. My name is Diane Messer. I'm the reading specialist at Barrington Elementary School and the Title I project manager. So I'm here today to talk about our new phase of Title I learning as it is going to start today. So on Friday, mailing went out and hopefully you all received your white packet of new information for this next phase of Title I learning. Inside that envelope, you will get this packet of books. These are from our LLI program. These are take-home books. These are books for you to keep and enjoy and add them to your own library. Some of them you may have seen before, but go ahead and reread. Rereading is a good thing. The next thing you'll find in your envelope are 3 books that we'll be accessing over the next 3 weeks. So the first one is called Spring is Here, and it is accompanied with some paperwork, which we'll talk about later. The second one that we will use the week of April 13th is called The Pirate Substitute, and that again has some paperwork to go along with it, and we'll talk about it during that week. And on the week of April 20th, we will take a look at this book together called I Fly Hot Air Balloons. So again, we won't be using this until the week of April 20th. So from now on, what we plan on doing is to provide the Title I activities in the Google Classroom itself. That's a platform that you're all pretty familiar with now. So on the left-hand side of your class's Google Classroom, you should be able to see a tab that says Title I. In that place, on a daily basis, 4 days a week, Monday through Thursday, I will post an audio and or perhaps a visual or both of a book for you to enjoy and then later practice on your own. As I said, next week we'll start with Spring is Here. There may be some other books that I find that are connected to that, and someone else may be reading them to you. But I will provide a link, and then there'll be an activity to go along with that book. And that will be it. I know many families have struggled to try to fit in as all of those components that we send home through Title I, as well as the expectations of what's going on in your classroom. It has been a lot. We certainly understand that. So get to that tab and do what you can. If there's a day you can't get to it, it's okay. Everyone is doing the very best that they can, and we appreciate all that you are doing. The other part that will be slightly different, which will also be described in this letter that you got in your packet, is we were trying to be responsive to having groups of children like we do at school. And we did get many responses to the group services and online learning form. We also got many responses about times of day that are would be successful for you and your child. Putting all that together and trying to have 50 children in different groups was a daunting task. So rather than doing that, what we're going to do is to create office hours for our Title I tutors. So each of the tutors will have office hours twice a week for grades 1, grades 2, and grades 3 separately. The times for that and the days are to be determined, and we will definitely add that link to the Title I tab in the Google Classroom. We're hoping that that will be the one place that you'll have to go for all your information and not need to look in other places. So again, all of this will be explained in that blue letter that came along with the packet, so you can have that as a reference. I will be in touch via email. Still feel free to email me or any of the tutors, especially between 8:30 and 12:30 every day. Again, we all want to thank you very much for all the time and effort you are putting into having learning continue at your home. This is quite a challenge, and we certainly understand that. Thank you for partnering with us as we continue on this journey. And I will be in touch soon. Take care.